The new Peugeot 408 is a coupe-like SUV. This Citroen C4 and Renault Arkana rival arrives in 2023. Like the new Honda HR-V, the new Peugeot 408 boasts a wide, imposing grille. Headlights have lion's fang daytime running lights, like the new Peugeot 308. The 408 has a coupe-like roofline. The SUV have black plastic wrapped over the wheel arches to deflect grocery carts. The back includes lion's claw brake lights and a black bumper insert. Peugeot hasn't installed fake exhaust pipes. The Peugeot 308 SW wagon has a longer rear and more cargo space than the hatchback. It competes with the Skoda Octavia wagon and Ford Focus wagon and incorporates Peugeot's newest infotainment and safety system. It's also available as a plug-in hybrid, promising low running costs and electric-only driving. The 308 SW is a sensible alternative to an SUV. The economical engine options make it cheap to run, but range-topping variants aren't as excellent value.
Do, 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 do.